Mercedes-AMG SL is a type of grand touring sports car that has been in production for nearly 6 decades. Mercedes-AMG SL derives from the German Sportleicht and was a goal from the time of its conception. At first, the first 300 SL was a racing sports car built in 1952 and had no intention of developing a street version. However, in 1954, an American importer suggested a street version of 300 SL for the wealthy performance car enthusiasts in the United States, where the market for the personal luxury car was booming after World War II. In October 2021, the 7th generation of the SL class was revealed with 3 powertrains, the entry-level powertrain being a 2.0 Li4 mild hybrid engine. SL55 develops a maximum of 476 horsepower and SL63 develops a maximum of 577 horsepower, both of which can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. A first for the SL class is the option of all-wheel drive on both versions. Soft fabric roofs are replacing the heavier retractable hard tops. Since 1989, the SL class has offered a 2+2 seating configuration as standard rather than an option. The R107 was built as a 2-seater convertible, but owners could choose the 2+2 seating configuration when ordering or retrofit the kit afterward. A passenger's height of up to 1.5 meters is ideal for the rear seats. This dash is symmetrical, with a 12.3 digital instrument cluster in the center and an 12 touchscreen in the middle. The instrument cluster sits within a binnacle in order to reduce reflections from the sun and to improve legibility when the top is folded down. The touchscreen panel can be pivoted to vertical because the reason is the same. German automobile manufacturer introduced the Mercedes-AMG GT in September 2014 and unveiled the car at the Paris Motor Show in October 2014. It is available as a coupe or roadster. The GTR is a high-performance variant of the Mercedes-AMG GT. It was introduced at the Goodwood Festival of Speed in June 2016, with an engine rated at 430 kW/585 HP and 700 nanometers. GTR accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds and tops out at 198 miles per hour. Whereas the GTC shares a few key mechanical distinctions with the GTS, the GTR also gains spring adjustment manually adjusted, an active underbody spoiler, manually adjustable rear wing, and a 9-mode AMG traction control system. As one might expect from a higher performance variant, the GTR forgoes keyless go, the integrated garage door opener, heated side mirrors and the power folding side mirrors, and instead reverts to the audio system that's equipped on the GT, though that feature may be added as an optional extra. Upon launch, the GTR was released with cosmetic changes from the standard car, the most notable being the distinctive design of the grille and new designs at the front and rear. The GTR also shared much of its styling with the AMG GT3 race car. With that said, the base GT variant of the car received some cosmetic changes in the 2017 model year. The GTR went on sale in November 2016, with deliveries beginning in 2017. For the 2018 Formula One World Championship, the Mercedes-AMG GTR became the Formula One safety car. Meanwhile, the 2020 Tuscan Grand Prix saw a one-off safety car painted red rather than silver in commemoration of Scuderia Ferrari's 1000th Grand Prix start. For the 2021 F1 season, the GTR safety car permanently wears a red color scheme, so that drivers can easily see it in low visibility. According to German magazine Sport Auto, it was the 5th fastest lap time at the time for a road-legal production vehicle around the Nürburgring track.